Hi students, good morning. Let me see today class. Today I'm going to explain new chapter 5 coordinate geometry. Okay. So you know already what is coordinate. Yes, there are two coordinates are there, x coordinate and y coordinates. Yes. So in that x coordinates, one more name is what is that? It is called abscissa. Then y coordinate, another one name is what is that? It is called ordinate. Yes. So see, this is x, this is x, y coordinate. So in that x coordinate, one more name is abscissa, and y coordinate, one more name is ordinate. Yes. So two coordinates, this point will be is the origin 0 comma 0 is starting at 0 comma 0, this point. Yes. Then so using in the graph sheet we learned everything. Yes. So suppose here we are drawing one line. In that line distance how want to find. Yes. So in the graph means easily we will find out. So plotting the graph we will find out the distance easily. Okay. Suppose without plotting the without graph, okay, without plotting the points in the graph, how we want to find the this distance. You see, suppose you are choosing this a, this is b. By plotting the points in the graph easily we will get the answer. But okay, when we are using without using graph, how we want to find this distance formula, distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points. Yes. So first point we want to choose x1 comma y1. Then second point we want to choose x2 comma y2. Okay. Now what is the formula of this distance between 2 points? Distance d is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 we can write, or else x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. So without using the graph, using this formula, we will get the answer. Yes, this is distance formula. Then next, suppose in the 2 points it is given, while joining these 2 points, we will get a line. In that line, midpoint how want to find? M, midpoint. So midpoint of the 2 points, midpoint. How? M of x comma y, midpoint is equal to both the coordinates. Now AB. So x coordinates you should add and divided by 2, x1 comma x2 by 2. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. Yes, y coordinates separately you should add and divided by 2. We will get it as a midpoint. Okay. Yes. So then next is centroid of a triangle. Yes, centroid of a triangle. So see in triangle 3 points ABC it is given. So you are drawing this, then is centroid. Okay, centroid G. In the centroid, how we want to find? We know already x1 comma y1. A point you choose x1 comma y1, B point x2 comma y2, then C point x3 comma y3. What is the centroid of a triangle? Centroid G of x comma y is equal to 3 coordinates also you should add x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. X coordinate and y coordinate separately you should add and divided by 3. We will get it as a centroid of a triangle G. Okay, G value will get. So this all the formulas already we learned about in 9th standard. Yes. So what are the definitions we will use? Everything we learn about in 9th standard. Yes. So here now you are going to learn how to find area of a triangle formed by 3 given points. Okay. So see, using 3 points how we want to find area of the triangle. Okay, in lower section we have learned about whether base and height it is given means area of the triangle. We know that, yes, area of the triangle half into base into height. Yes, this is a formula, you know, everybody is know this formula. So area of the triangle, suppose in a triangle 3 points are is given means A, B, C. So A point is x1 comma y1, B point is x2 comma y2, then C point is x3 comma y3. So using these 3 points, how we want to get area of the triangle? Okay, see inside portion. Outside means this perimeter AB, BC, CA. 3 also you are adding outside of the length means it is called perimeter. Inside means area. Yes. So this area, when 3 points are given, how we want to find area of the triangle? See, area of the triangle ABC is equal to, totally 2 formulas is there. Okay, 2 method we can solve the problems. So here you see first one is, what does that means? Formula half of, okay, half of first x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y3 minus y1. Okay, x3 of, sorry, y1 minus y2. Here y1 minus y2. So this formula. So close the bracket. This is the area of the triangle formula. Okay, when 3 points are given, this is the formula. Half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 square units. Okay, area means we will use square units. Here also square units. Yes, this. So one more, usually in our book example problem they didn't use this formula. One more formula they used. Okay, what is the formula? You see, it is easy. Another form. Okay, area of the triangle ABC. First one diagram on the half of arrow diagram, like x1 up you want to write x-axis, x1, x2, x3, again x1. Which one you started ends with the same. Next to y1, y2, y3, again y1. So close the bracket. Now, so see, first up and down want to multiply, then down to up. Okay, see what is the formula here? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to, area of the triangle ABC is equal to half of one open bracket of, first up and down want to multiply, x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus, okay, next x3 y1. So close the bracket, center minus, and again one open bracket, next down to up. Okay, so y1 x2, but in your book it is given x2 y1, both also it is correct only. So y1 x2 plus y2 x3 plus y3 x1. Okay, close the bracket, square units. So using this two formula we will get it as the area of the triangle of ABC. Okay, area of the triangle we will get. So comparing first one using second one, easily we will get answer. At the same procedure, first x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 value want to find. Okay, so it is given question itself. So you choose x1 y1, x2 y2, then x3 y3, then you substitute that in that formula, you simplify, then you will receive the answer. Okay, area of the triangle. Then Next, collinear of 3 points. Okay. Collinearity of 3 points. So first, what is mean by collinear points? Want to know what is mean by collinear points. So what is mean by collinear points? The points, collinear points is a points. Okay, that points are points that lie on the same line. Lie on the same line. Okay, so one, two or more points is lie on the same line. That points are called collinear points. For example, one point. Okay, again one more point. One line you draw. So in that line, so two or more points is lie on a same line. Is lie on a same line means that points are called collinear points. Okay, here collinearity of 3 points. So how we want to get collinearity of 3 points? This you see. So collinearity of 3 points. So in the collinearity of 3 points is lie on a same line, then we will get it as a area of triangle is 0. Okay, so when 3 points are lie on same line, so we can set it as, we can say these points are collinear. Yes, it is called collinear. Collinear means if and only if area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle is 0. So when the 3 points are lie on a same line is called collinear. So it is question itself is given. In the points are collinear means we will get area of the triangle is 0. Suppose question itself is given area of the triangle is 0 means we want to take it as the given points are collinear. Okay, this is called collinearity of 3 points. So here before area of the triangle we used two formulas. Yes, so in the two formulas you compare with, okay, so all the values you substitute x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 value you substitute and simplify, we will get it as the answer is 0 means that points are collinear points. Okay, so in these two area of the triangle and collinear points, this only you are going to learn in this exercise. First this you are going to learn. Then what is mean by coordinate geometry means it is a coordinate geometry is also called as analytical geometry, is a branches of mathematics. Analytical geometry is branches of mathematics. Then we will use some algebra expressions we will use here. In the coordinate geometry we will use algebraic expressions. Okay, so now here we are going to learn these collinear points and then area of the triangle. Okay, so remaining formulas everything you learn 9th standard itself. Yes, distance between 2 points, midpoint of the line segment, then section formula. Yes, internal division, external division, then centroid of the triangle, everything you learn. Now here only area of the triangle and collinearity of 3 points we will see. Okay, then next class we will see some other formulas. Okay, using these two formulas we will solve the exercise problem. Okay, what is that you see? See exercise problem, exercise 5.1, first second point. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points. Here 3 points are given. Okay, so here directly you cannot choose this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, should not choose. Okay, so suppose this asked area means first you want to plot the points in rough diagram. Okay, so not note itself we can draw the graph and you want to plot the points. The points you want to choose, how want to choose means the points want to choose counterclockwise direction. Okay, that means anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise. Opposite clockwise you want to choose. Then only area of the triangle you will get it as a positive. Always area we want to get it as a positive. Suppose as it is you choose means we will get it as a negative value. Okay, area we will get negative. Here surely area we cannot get negative. Okay, so always area will be a positive there. Therefore, so you want to choose first given points, you want to plot the points in rough diagram. Okay, so see solution. First plot the points in rough diagram. Plot the points in rough diagram. After that you want to choose the points in counterclockwise direction. Okay, here first you check. First you draw x-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Now here 3 points also is lie on third quadrant. Yes, because x and y coordinates negative. Therefore you choose only negative axis alone enough. X, y, this x dash, then y dash. Now here -1, -2, -3. So here -10 up to -10. -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. This is x dash. Then y coordinates highest -1, -2, -3 up to 5 it is enough. Yes. So -4, -5. This is y dash. Now you should plot the point first. Properly you want to draw the line. Okay, so without using ruler I have drawn this. You using ruler and you should draw. Okay, now -10 comma x-axis -10, y-axis -4. So here we'll get so -10 comma -4. Next -8, x-axis -8, y-axis -1. So here -8 comma -1. Next -3 comma -5, x-axis -3, y-axis -5. So -3 comma -5. So okay, now after plot the points you want to join the points. So now you want to choose the points in counterclockwise direction. Okay, so your wish first this you can choose A, B, C, or else this is A, this is B, this is C, or else this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, however also you can choose A, B, C, but counterclockwise direction want to choose. Okay, for that first I am choosing this point A, this point B, this point C. Okay, so therefore plot the points in rough diagram. Take the points in counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise direction. Okay, so this is now let's A point is -8 comma -1, B point is -10 comma -4, and C point is -3 comma -5 be the points of the triangle ABC. Points of a triangle ABC. Okay, then now we have chosen counterclockwise direction. Okay, next you see therefore area of triangle ABC. Okay, therefore area of the triangle ABC. First want to write formula of x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, again y1. Okay, first you write, then easily we will write the formula of okay, first x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus up and down you should multiply plus x3, y1, then center minus again one open bracket, next down to up y1 x2 plus y2 x3 plus y3 x1, close the bracket. Okay, so this formula. Now you substitute what is that half of x1 point is A point. Okay, A point is -8 comma -1, B point is -10 comma -4, C point I choose -3 -5, again ends with -8 -1. Okay, which one you started at the same you want to ends. ends with, that means minus 8 comma minus 1. Okay, now next you see half of, now down to up you should multiply, sorry, up to down you should multiply. Now minus and minus plus, so 8 4s are 32. Next center plus, minus and minus plus, okay, 10 5s are 50. Plus next minus and minus plus, 3 1s are 3. Then close the bracket, then minus of, next down to up want to multiply, minus and minus plus, 1 10s are 10. Next plus, formula plus is this, so plus 4 3s are 12, minus and minus plus, so 4 3s are 12. Next minus into minus plus, 5 8s are 40. Suppose here there is no minus, only positive is there, means 5 8s are minus 40. Here plus, here minus means instead of plus 40 you want to write it as a minus 40. Okay, so minus into here plus into minus, minus 40 you want to write, but here minus is there, so minus into minus plus, plus 40 you want to write. Now you simplify, you will get it as answer. So half of, now add means 50 80 to 85 minus, okay, that everything you should add means 50 62. Yes, 62. Now you should subtract means half of, okay, this you should subtract 23 you will get. Now 23 2 table you cancel means we will get it as a 11.5 square units. Okay, 11.5 square units. So given question we received the answer, area of the triangle ABC is 11.5 square units. Okay, that's all. So see second one, second point, first point you want to do it. Okay, like that, first point you want to do it, like here second point I will do, then first point you want to do it. Okay, now determine whether the set of points are collinear. Okay, here 3 points are is given, whether these 3 points are collinear or not we want to check. Okay, so we know that the set of points are collinear means what will be 0, area of the triangle we want to get it as a 0. Area of the triangle is 0 means the points are collinear. Okay, that means here we want to find first area of the triangle. Okay, so here question is asked, question itself area is asked means you want to plot the points, or else no need to plot the points, as it is you choose. Okay, so now see solution. Okay, find the points are, the set of points are, set of points are collinear. Okay, given points are A. Okay, right, given points are A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, and C of A plus B, sorry, C comma A plus B. So this is given points are. So now, so we know that the set of points are collinear, set of points are collinear. This simple is if and only if. Okay, both the side arrow mark means if and only if. Okay, then area of the triangle is 0. Triangle is 0. Now, so here you want to check area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Okay, so area of the triangle, this is A point, this is B, this is C. Okay, now half of, okay, is equal to half of first point A B plus C, next B C plus A, next C A plus B, again ends with A of B plus C. Okay, so whether you want to write the formula, first you want to write, after that you want to plot the points like this. Okay, now first point is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So x1 x2 x3 x1 y1 y2 y3 again y1. Now, so what I told after this, First down to up want to multiply. Yes, this true. So you are multiplying this down to up. Now here a of c plus a is there. So a is common for c and a. So half of one open bracket. So a into c, ac plus a into a square. Okay, a into a square. Again plus like that. B into a. B is common for both also. So ba plus b into b square plus c into b, cb plus c into c squared. Close the bracket. Okay, directly you can multiply. Now like that, here b plus c is a common for b. Okay, so center minus of, so now b is a common for b and c. Okay, like that you should multiply. So b into b, down to up or down up to down, like this. Like this you are multiplying. D into b, b square, b into c, bc plus bc. Next, okay, c into c, c square plus c into a, ca. C into a, ca. Next, a into a square. Okay, a into a square plus a into b, ab. A into b, ab plus ab. So close the bracket. Again one more bracket want to close. Now after that you simplify, we will get the answer. Now half of, so first remove the bracket and write ac plus a square plus ba plus, okay, so ba plus b square plus cb plus c square. Now this minus is common for all the terms. Okay, this is very important because outside minus is there. This minus is a common for all the terms. So you should multiply minus inside means all the terms is changed into negative. So minus b square minus bc minus c square minus ca minus a square minus ab. Okay, close the bracket. Now you check it. If anything cancel, you cancel it. Now c plus c square minus c square cancel. Minus a square plus a square cancel. Next, minus AB plus BA. AB, BA will be same. So this two will be cancelled like that. Minus BC plus CB will get cancelled. Next plus B square minus B square can cancel. Plus AC minus CA. Both also same only. Everything will get cancelled. So half of everything cancel means 0. Half into 0, 0. Therefore, area of the triangle is 0. Therefore, given points are, given set of points are collinear. Set of points are collinear. Number means easily you will get answer. Here everything it is given variable. So anyway we received the answer, because answer we received area of the triangle, answer we received 0. Therefore given points are collinear. Given set of points are collinear. That's all.